Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for leaving your comments, much appreciated. And hey, hit that red button, subscribe for more notifications. A song was requested by a lot of people. Lo'onga ngai, ye faamanu atu ya Ieova by the Gateway Ministries worship team. So I played in the key of C. So we're going to break it down step by step. Just pause the video, go back, learn that part, go back, learn that part until you get familiar with it. Okay? So the first line we're going to learn. Left hand, the bass, C. The right hand, C, E, and G. Next chord is G on the thumb, C, E. The next line, I call this a walk-in step. Faamanu atu. Right? D, E flat, E. Right hand. Faamanu atu. This is a note, 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 this is a note. When we put notes together, they form chords. Alright, so fa, we're going to hit one note and the other two notes will follow. Okay, so we're going to hit the C and then the other two, E, G, will come after. Faamanu. So the D, pointing finger is a G and the fourth finger is a B. Same thing. Note, the other two notes come after. Faamanu. Right? Faamanu atu. Atu. Okay, the same chord, the last one. We're going to play it again from the A, then the 2, E, G, and a C, pointing finger. E, G, C, A2. The next chord, F, Ieova. Bass first. Left hand, C, pointing F, and A. Ieova, Ieova. Okay, we'll start again from the beginning. We'll go really slow. From Ieova to the next line, or mea mafoi, there's a gap there. So there's a little improvise that I've added in before we get to o mea mafoi. When there's a massive gap there, you can detail it by adding your own improvisation and to make the song more detailed and more alive. Ieova. Let's improvise there. Thumb, B flat key, pointing D, little pinky finger, A, G. Ieova. improvisation, which is a F, thumb, A, pointy finger, C, pinky finger, and F. Ieova. Then I play the note singly, that same position. We're going to use that same position on the next chord. We're going to slide down a couple of steps. C, E, and an A. And the A on the left hand is A minor. Alright? So it should sound like this. Next line. Oh mea, oh ma foi. Oh mea. G, A, chord. Oh mea. D on the thumb. G, A. Oh mea, oh ma. E, G, C. Okay? Oh, mea, ma foi, e tono. E is a key A, note, chord, note, chord. Oi tono, ia te au, ia faamanu atu. Mea o ma foi, oi tono, ia te au, ia si faamanu atu. So we were walking down when we held that same position. Oh mea, oh ma foi, mea, oh ma foi, e tono e te au ia faamanu atu. G, C, E, faamanu A, C, F, atu. Bass stays the same, C, and then left hand, G, right hand, F, A, C, same thing, note, these two come late, or you can put it together at the same time. And just bring one step down, the pointer finger, G, and the fourth finger on a B. Alright, so let's start again right from the top, eh? Okay, the next line, E, C, thumb is a G, and the fourth finger is a E. So remember, note, then the other two come together, form a chord. E, O, Fu, Oi. Alright. E, O, Fu, Oi, Levi, Inga. Le is the D. E, E, Vi, Inga. E, O, Fu, Oi, Levi, Inga. Le is the D. Vi, E, Vi, Inga. Levi, Inga. So Levi, Inga, B flat. And these two come after. Thumb is F, and the pointy finger is the fire F. E, O, Fu, Oi, Levi, Inga, Male, Matango, Fie, Tamai. Remember those chords? Here we go. E, O, Fu, Oi, Levi, Inga. Now the left hand is gonna walk up like we're building it to get to F. F, Tamai, improvise. Coming to the end, Epa, Ia, Epa, Ia. Okay, so coming to the end, it should sound like this. E, O, Fu, Oi, Levi, Inga, Male, walking up to build up to get to the next chord. El, Tamai. Epa, Ia. Epa, Ia, Oye, Oa. Okay, Epa, Ia, F, B, and a D. Epa, Ia, Epa, Ia, Oye, F, A, D, Oi, Ieova, C, E on the right hand, G, Ieova. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Practice the first verse and we'll get to the chorus later on. Okay, God bless.